What is up, guys? Happy New Year. Before I start this video, I haven't uploaded a video in a while since I upload my Jamaican YouTube rewind. If you haven't watched that as yet, go watch it, check it out. If you watch Jamaican YouTube creators, that's a pretty cool video to watch, so go check that out. But if you're new here, also consider subscribing. Today I'm going to talk about why Tesla is gonna take over the place and why more cool people are gonna start to want to buy Tesla as their dream car. So recently, if you haven't seen the videos yet, Travis Scott has released his video Gang Gang Gang. I'm not sure how many gang is in the title, but I think it's more than two or maybe two, not sure. But he released that music video like in the last week of December, I think December the 27th, and the Tesla Cybertruck was in there. And not only the Tesla Cybertruck, but also the Tesla ATV, which is an all-electric ATV. And not only that, there was the flame shower in there. I'm not sure if it's the Boring Company flame shower, but more than likely it is. They never show any logo or anything. That's one thing that they didn't show. They didn't show that it was a Tesla. Like if it was a Toyota, they will show the Toyota sign, or if it was a Benz in the music video, it would show the Benz sign or whatever. They didn't show any of that, and they didn't show the logo on the flamethrower also, but it was in there, and I believe it more than likely it is the Boring Company flamethrower. So that's three Tesla products right there. And the Cybertruck didn't move, but the ATV was drifting around the Cybertruck, and I think Elon Musk either paid them to do this or they just wanted to do this, but more than likely it is Tesla marketing team. Elon Musk told them to put the Cybertruck in their music video because they know once you do this, other kids who want to be cool like Travis Scott and those other rappers are gonna say, "Oh, I want a Tesla truck." Nobody no longer want those Benz truck or those Porsche truck, those Lamborghini trucks and all those stuff. Now everybody want a Cybertruck, all because a rapper has it in his music videos. I won't be surprised if Drake start to sing about Cybertruck, and then before you know it, everybody starts to want a Tesla, and a Tesla will just become like a luxury car. Well, not really a luxury, because I know Elon Musk is not really going for a luxury state. He's going for more like a rival against Toyota, but in the electric world. So there's gonna be all different ranges and prices of different Tesla that you can buy: luxury version, economy version, middle class, high class, low class, poor class, whatever. I believe like in the future there will be like a Tesla that you can buy for under $20,000, or a Tesla that you can buy for maybe under $10,000. I wouldn't be surprised, because with Elon Musk, I believe anything that he said he's gonna do will be done. Maybe not on time, but it would definitely be done. But I believe because of these rappers are gonna start to sing about it, you're gonna see more YouTubers start to buy and pre-order those Tesla Cybertruck, the Tesla Model S, Tesla Model X, and whatever. You're gonna see more YouTubers start to pre-order them and start to drive them and vlog with them. And we as human beings watch YouTubers because either one, we can't live that lifestyle, or two, we want to be motivated and just want to see a lifestyle that we can't live, or want to be motivated to live that lifestyle. And if you see a YouTuber driving a Benz, you're gonna imagine yourself as success is driving a Benz. So when you see people like Jake Paul, Logan Paul, YouTube couples like Diarra and Ken and Casey Neistat, Marquise Brownlee, and all those YouTubers are driving Tesla, you're gonna believe, oh, the definition of success is having a house plus a Tesla. I'm not sure if it's gonna be the Tesla Cybertruck, the Tesla Model S, or whatever, but a Tesla. And having a Tesla will now consider you being successful and being rich and being dope. Just like how all the celebrities wear Jordans and all those stuff, and Jordans become a brand. Poor people who are taking their hard-earned money to buy Jordans to look cool. So don't be surprised to see more Teslas are coming in your community, and not just for the rich people anymore. Because one thing I realize is that once the rappers are talking about something, you're gonna have poor people trying everything to get that stuff, even though if they budget, if they can't afford it, but just to look cool, they will go out of their way and find the money to get that stuff bought and drive it. It's even just to rent it for a night or whatever. They'll definitely do anything to get it. Once every single rapper start to sing about it, they're gonna find some way to get that money. And everybody that you hear always talk about, oh, Tesla is not a cool car because either it doesn't have a loud muffler or it's not fast and all those stuff, are just people, just I don't know, just people who don't know much about the car. Because if you go on YouTube right now and type in a car versus a Tesla, whether it be a BMW versus a Tesla or whatever, most unlikely is the Tesla is gonna win. Trust me, no matter what, that Tesla launch speed is pretty fast, and that is what is killing all these fast cars these days. Because don't get me wrong, if the stretch is long enough and the race is long enough, the Tesla will lose, but in a short space, like say a mile or less or half a mile, the Tesla would definitely win, because the Tesla picks up speed quick, really fast. I think it go like 0 to 60 in like 2 seconds or 3 seconds, or maybe even less. And the Roadster, not to talk about the Roadster specs alone is super, and I'm looking forward for that. As I said, I'm not really disappointed as yet, because I know it's in the works and it will happen. I know for now you can get used to Elon Musk just having not good with time, but he's gonna do it. Because the Cybertruck, he said he was gonna do it like what, 6 years ago, maybe like 2011. He talked about the Cybertruck, and here's the Cybertruck. And there's one, as you can see, fully working, because there are videos around the internet showing Elon Musk driving with the Tesla and doing all kind of stuff with it in Los Angeles. So it's fully functional, and I guess it is road approved, because I haven't seen any articles yet talking about this is not road legal or whatever. But at first I thought it wouldn't be road legal, but I haven't seen any articles like that as yet. But until then, we can't put anything across this government these days, because they will come out with a rule for anything. And I kind of see that truck as maybe a hazard on the road and all those stuff, because it is metal and all those stuff. But that is a different video. But what I'm talking about today is that the Tesla is gonna be the next luxury car and must have car if you want to be successful. Because all these celebrities these days are getting a Tesla. Name a celebrity that you don't hear talk about a Tesla or having a Tesla, or maybe have a Tesla low key with their Lamborghini. I mean, Jake Paul have a Tesla, Marquise Brownlee have a Tesla. You see Travis Scott is showing off the Tesla. He might have a Tesla, or maybe pre-ordering a Tesla. All those celebrities these days are getting a Tesla. So slowly and surely, everybody will start to want a Tesla, and Tesla will be the new trend, will be the new luxury. You won't hear people singing about, oh, I'm gonna get rich and I'm gonna buy the big Benz or the big Porsche or the big Lamborghini or whatever. You're gonna hear people talking about Tesla. So get used to that name, guys. As I said, you can come back and watch this video 10 years from now, and you're gonna say, oh, this dude knew what exactly he was talking about. I've been watching Tesla for the past 3 years, ever since Marquise Brownlee started to talk about it. And trust me, the specs are pretty cool. And if you ever been inside of one, you will see that going inside of one will change your mindset towards vehicles. Like, knowing that something like a Tesla exists is hard to go to certain type of video, or not not wanting a Tesla. And just imagine the driving experience. But go inside a Tesla, go to a Tesla outlet near you and just test drive, or maybe just go in there and just say you want to sit in one of the Tesla and feel how it feel, because you hear Teslas are really cool these days. and trust me, you're gonna like it. But yeah guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.